I lean, I rock. I drink, I smoke. I put my fingers. Okay, here it goes. All the way through Madison. It's gonna be kind of hard. Oh.
We should as soon as we get to Madison.
What?
Because they might have call him and the cops be like,
What?
but I honking.
Who gives a crap? Nobody knows who it is. Until a cop finds me and it's like,
License plates.
all my ladies from your back, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. You know we'll be rocking, do it, do it, do it, do it.
That sounds like a car like doing it. There's a car getting stolen. Oh my god.
Bird. Very close. That is. Easy. Stoplights. Bar.
There are 2 cars. One at the bar.
All the way through Madison, baby. Do I turn here?
No, the next.
Next one. Whoa! Listen.
Yeah, it sounds like it's dying.
I'm scared. Do horns die? I can't honk and turn at the same time. Dang it! There we go. Listen. Listen. That's really weird.
Big problem, so we're getting frustrated.
I am so glad
I know.
people are gonna get waking up at 1 o'clock.
107.
107 in the morning. House.
There's
Road.
the house past this house for a while.
Okay, we're done.